Oh yes, God. Oh yes, everybody. Oh yes, my people. Good day. Oh yes, my beautiful people. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, my beautiful people in the house. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday to you, my beautiful people. Please, as you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Oh yes, this Vero TV program. Oh yes, my people, how not dear. I know some don't miss me, not be smarting, guys. Oh yes, my lovely people, how not they please share this video, my beautiful people. So now, so my people, I come. Let's say I come out to this. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Let's shake it out, guys. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. How not they, everybody? Please share this with us. You are coming in. Please don't forget to share, guys. Oh yes, my lovely people. How not they? How not they? I hope not they fun. Today na dancing day before we can start our Ogboge topic, guys. Oh yes, oh yes. Good afternoon, everybody, wherever you are watching me from. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So, so you can see, guys. So my beautiful people, I greet you all once again. So as you are coming in, try to share this video, guys, before we start. My beautiful people, you look so beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Share, guys. Share, my beautiful people. So one dance to them. I'm not saying no time to check time now. We need to still dance. So let me pull. So let's play music. Let's dance before going to the next level, guys. Oh yes, I'm coming, my beautiful people. So I'm coming.
Never gonna give it up now. She did blow my mind. I see your body calling, see your the way you want, you are killing me. Baby girl, keep on rocking me. Wait for me. I see your body calling, the way you want, you are killing me. Baby girl, keep on rocking me.
Welcome, guys. Please share the video, guys. Yeah, my beautiful people. Try to share the video, guys. Yeah, so please are coming in. Share the video. Yeah, yes. So please share the video are coming in.
God bless my ego. How many guys want to marry? I got everybody. Cause before Sakari. You wanna know? Say how you go. Say let me show. That place when I did come. They wanna know. Say how you go. Let me show. That place when I did come. Let's go the night
Guys, are coming in, please share, my lovely people. Hold up. It's a happy Sunday to you all.
I never seen a place like you. Let me feel it. See, I wanna see it. Cannot deny it, cause I'm truly a son. When the screen say I'm a Joe, my son. Africa, say Africa is the place. Someone understand, say Africa is the place. Check out your Putin, check out your Eko. Let's go the night Eko. Let's go the night Take me
as you are coming in, please. Now I go and go back my husband. So more dance once. Please, as you are coming in, please don't forget to share this video, guys. Yes, happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday to you all. This is very television program. So we don't want to dance for before anything, guys. Happy Sunday to you all. So no first down before we go to this. Oh yes, guys, happy Sunday to you all. Share, my beautiful people. Oh yes, my beautiful people, how not day? Happy Sunday to you all, guys. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. How not day? I hope not they enjoy the dance here. Well, I know now, no time to check this very TV program in the building. Wow. So my lovely people, how not day? Yeah, so we get to program matter to discuss today, but at a time we need to first of all dance, shake our boom boom, shake our body before we move to the next level, guys. So please, if you are just coming in, happy Sunday to you all, and I wish you happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. So my beautiful people, before we go start, I will play them again once, but at the time I quickly talk, my lovely people. If you are just coming, please don't fail to share this video, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, I'm gonna say this social media of it, we need to show. You understand? Because no time to share time, my lovely people. No, not by to make marks, not by to come outside to the talk. Because number one person, baby elephant say, make them look her, they make them look me. She said, whether me not fat, as in my tummy, in fact, you know now, I know say sometimes she dey wear waist trainer, now they see am now. I don't eat 2 times today. Then I put on this waist trainer before I come online now. As I eat, I first eat in the morning, I still eat again before I come bath, before I come make up, before I come wear this clothes and put on this girdle. So who get eyes, please share this video, guys. Who have eyes supposed to know, say, me and baby elephant, we are not the same in anything. You understand? So you can see it. This will not be say wuru wuru or wayo. You understand? You say me, I fat. Like say, I want to tell you, say, me, I know they come on live video, come they lie, or come they talk waiting, and not be. You understand? Please share this video, guys. We are going to the next level, but at a time, we need to first dance. You understand? You know, not by to the talk to the make mad. You understand, my people? Is to show it and let everybody see. You understand me? Sure, you know, say, you understand? A stretch mark, a creamy Mario make be. You understand? Number one, you need to know that. Number two, equipment beggar. You see, you see that? Equipment, yes, a shape you can see. Now big gun I wear so well. A shape you they see him. You get it. You get it. So I just want to clear it to you. Please share this video, guys, if you are just coming in. In me, I want clear to the hair. You come away where baby elephant smell it bekus. Maybe we are in cleaning, in anything. Maybe we are. So I just want to let you know, say me and you will not be the same baby elephants. You understand? Just dress like you put on girdle after you don't eat 2 times. If I don't eat, my belly for even flat past this one. You understand? Not be to come on live video, come they rake, they brag. No, you see it. You can see. Yeah, please share this video, guys. You see that? Sure, you can see. You see that? You see it? Can you see it clean, clear? Imagine if you're the toss, sometimes I'll just laugh you. Yes, you see as I clean finish. Make I put on like this. You see it? You see my beauty, say my own your own not be the same. You see what I say? It's too far. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see him? You see him, master? If I look at sometimes, I'll just laugh. Sure, you can see it. This is not tricking, or maybe you're not. You can see. Now my hips be this. Please share this video, guys. Share, my people. I just want to remove some things out. Okay, I just want to let Esther know. If you talk of good body, good shape, if fat, uku, God use and bless me. Please, may I see the love and like, my people. You know, nobody to come on media, come they rant, come they talk, as in come they talk. Happy Sunday to you. Oh, mommy host, my big mommy in the building. I say make I come shake her for my people. I say make I come show out to my real fans there, the Ogbonge people, the Ogbonge and Ogbonge listen, guys. So please, guys, I tell you last time, say I have a lot doing, and the fashion and all that they come. You understand? Not by to the talk, and because I they like if I they do something you go they see. Now made me tell Esther 4 days ago, say, me and you not be the same. Where me they go and where you already hang. We are not the same. So please share this video, guys. Mommy, hope you are welcome. Please share this video. Share, guys. As I come in, please don't forget to share this video. Share, my beautiful people. So, baby elephant, you see as I gauge like this. Just come outside without your big belly. I tell you, say only your hands. You see, huh? You see, huh? You see, huh? You see, huh? Can you see that? You see, huh? Here. My distance felt cut. You see here. What? Off here. I felt get here. You see, huh? Can you see that? Can you see it? So, maybe where pa? So please share this video, guys. You understand? No, anybody when you commit rubbish here, Mona help me they fire them. Fire. Who be that when they put on that style? You don't come, just they put red, for your Mona pursue that person. So I just want to show it to you. Say, may you know, say, like really, we are not the same. You understand me? We wear okpa for the shape and everything. They see them, and they put on them. You see, you can see it. You can see it. You can see that. And I don't eat. Oh, if I never eat, you foresee them. No, me, I not the believe on talk. I believe on do it, let people see. I don't believe on talk. So who get eyes now go see me and Esther now? Who fat pass? Maybe when now who get eye not supposed to know. You see them? You see that? You see that? So maybe when now people need to know, say me and you will not be the same. No, for shape aspect, for tummy. And you know money keko na la jonga keko we la jon you be 600 na 600 this you scale now you go what they call and now you go the way. Obere ye gbere ye be boyo. You see me bolo. So may you know that. So yes, please share the video. Rita, you are welcome. Yeah, please share the video. Thank you, Jerry. I too fine. Every elephant, I too sweet, I too fine. You know very well. Omona ke gbe me na roka ke gbe who piet who you want money safe. Where you for we yedin, not be safe for maths. Who know any yam a class. So your problem is marriage. Yeah, you go to Bergman to come and marry, you go to Italy. Man, you will not be the same. I tell you, can you why you okay? So I marriage your problem where it's not my business, not my problem. Or you see that? Not be to talk for maths. No. It's to show it to the world. Let them see. Let them see it out. You see? And even this waist trainer when I wear. Now this thing I be this size large. XL. No, not be SL. Now SL be the big one. Now medium be this. Now wear so. If you medium go fit enter you, and you see the line I put it is 3 line. See the first line here. You can see the first line here. Okay. Then I move it from the first line, enter second line. If only this waist trainer, if you can even put it on, as in put it on, put it on, wear it, you're not going to enter you now. You're not going to enter you. So you go to you go to you see my back cream not spoil am. Cream not spoil my body. They see all na inko. So maybe you know me, I know the bleach as to take the bleach. Please share this video, guys. Thank you, not too much, my people. Please share this video as you are coming in. Please share. I just want to make this video more and share. You know, when they talk something, me I not believe on too much of talk. This one, no. I like proving something. I like proving it. If this waist trainer when me wear so, this waist trainer you see here, if you go enter you, just try. Just try. Please share this video. Share, guys. So we will still dance one more time before going to our Ogbogen topic. So I just do this just because she said on one of our video, she said, he said, Vera, not talk to me. He said, you big past me. Your belly big past me. You know when I got the diet, when I got the drinks, they see my heart. Sure you can see. You see it? They see my heart now. Sure you can see my heart. I just want to prove it to you. May you know. If you can do a video, wear this kind of Ghana, wear this kind of waist trainer. If people not wrong, pia. Then people go bagger. Please share this video. People will bagger. And when one money just two picking, and you don't get right. 2, you are like that. Now let me tell you, say me and you not be the same. If you born 3, born 4, born 5, born 6, where be like this way you can be. Now truck, they will put you truck. Truck. So as I look like this, after picking, I don't look good. I don't look sexy more than you. Well, me vake can we no me vona jevadwa. Your belly, oh yeah, like really? Go and jog, go and jog. This is summer. Go and jog. That your belly, if you need tea, I'll send that for you, maybe they drink. You understand? So I just want to prove it to you that we are not the same. Okay, we are not the same. So let's play this music once again. So my beautiful people, we are done from the music right now, guys. Thank you, everybody. Yes, so it's good to shake everybody. Our shake, you can see, understand, it's good to shake it, my beautiful people. I greet all my great people in the house. Oh yes, my beautiful people, we get to Bunga matter we want to talk about today at a time, guys. So we just move first dance, understand as they go. No, you don't need to verse. So if you are the look vera like this, you are the press angry, you are on your own. Baby elephant, now you call me now. You don't need to verse. Now what when you talk, now I can't prove to the world. I'm not there for too much of talk, bragging here and there. No, I just want to come and make people look you, make them look me, make them look. No, I believe on let people see. I believe on let people see and well. If you are here pressing angry, that is your own cup of tea, baby elephant. Go and do jogging. Go and do something that will make you, because I make vatu picking, you don't make vaja. Like really? Like seriously? Now what you talk now, I can't prove to the world. Naughty S, naughty S, naughty S, baby elephant, naughty S, naughty S. Is what you said, I come to preach to the world. Then people should take a good look to you, to check you very well, if you are really okay, to see me and you, if we are the same. Not to talk, my people, I'm not draw. My people, no. I believe of proving something. I believe of showing it. My mommy Hope, I too love you, my darling mommy. I welcome all of you now. My real people, no get people. I believe of showing something. I believe of proving it. I believe of let's make people see with their eye. Then they will not go and check you. Your video will take that. Hey, young better, and then not be that move on this. And they say, you see Anna, you see me. I'm not heavy. I don't get weight. They see, and they go like this. Not be the dance like the way I say na elephant. You they pull leg like this. No, jeje. Now strength. You they move body that day. Hey, young better move on this. No. That's my shot, man. Dance well because the body they heavy you. You see that? So I just want to prove it to the world and let people see my beautiful people. So now what did she talk about 3-4 days ago? She said, may they check me, may they check her. Who big pass as in ume voada, ume jaba. He said na me big person. He said for Bele, hey. He said for Bele, he said my Bele big. I said, huh? Like, really? So I said, okay, today is Sunday, and many of our beautiful ladies, our iron lady, they are at home today. So I just want to do the showing. Show it. That is show them. Let people see. Show the uku, show everything, show them. Let them see the same. Just show them, okay? Just show it. Let people see. Just show it. Show it round. And in fact, if I do on front of camera, if they close to camera, you can think maybe, hey, no, you can see. You see my belly. I don't eat. Oh, you can see the time now. It's 8 o'clock, 8:01 now. I don't eat, so I still look like this. If I don't eat, you'll see my belly. You don't see anything. Man. You see them, man. Show you the see. So if I don't eat, my belly could have flat more than this. Go me fala. You understand? Go flat. So please share this video, guys. So today is just to show and let them see. You understand? So you can see, please share this video. Share, guys. Share, my people. They come here and do this. They come. Oh, okay. Please share this video. Share this video. Today I'm showing things. You know, you need to show things. You go show them. Show it. Show the shape and show the everything. Baby elephant. When I will we are take baby elephants. You say na me Vera. Adamwam. Omanicha asapentewam. Hey, Shineke na mezoko. Like seriously? Like really? No, it's not like that. Before you go talk something, you go they prove am. Mona they pursue that bad belly. Na they use fake accounts. Not be another person. Another person not say here. Mona pursue am. Yeah? Our beautiful women say here when they don't get 2-5 picking. They look good. You go see. There's one woman I see one. The children, the last born don't their husband house. If you say, see make bosha. Now like this star, baby elephant. Now why you? Oh, you too big. Let me see my chest. You know see him. Can't you see it? You know the see him. Show you the see bone. Show you the see him. You stick boho. You don't full. You want full reach your head. I really. I really. So before you go, if I pass me, if I pass me, you go do research very well. Please share this video, guys. Share my lovely people. Share. Our beautiful women, they here. If you see them, their children say don't grow. When you see them, they don't. In fact, they make posha. Yeah, look, your heart they look. The domestic boy, if you see them, they wear jeans today. Will say oh, this is a small picking. Oh, I never born. I pray. Now maintenance, jogging, walking. You will just sit down on it tonight. Boy, sit down, boy. I don't see wake up since. When I sound since day before yesterday, I not doing a live video, Friday, Saturday, right? Because on Thursday, now children take holiday, of which everybody know Thursday. So that's Thursday. As I take holiday, yesterday, yesterday, Friday, I wash, I clean. Yesterday, the same thing. Saturday, I just say no. You understand? This exercise, this I see they wear them. So I wash, use hand wash some men. I don't want my machine spoil. Use hand wash some of my new clothes, some of them. Bed down, wash hand. You know, wash hand with hand. Come go dry and 3 hand got full. If full day first yesterday was cleaning, in fact, environmental tracks. You see me on social media yesterday. If you watch me, I not get time. So I did everything clean, courage everywhere. I make sure say I clean my big mommy. Mommy, I'm married. Yeah, welcome my mommy. But you go just sit down. Able to cook, you don't even have time. Sometimes mama get car, but sometimes, like yesterday, Saturday, right? I see use leg after I finish clean everything. I see use leg carry my kids throw out. See from there buy something for supermarket small sick horse. You know that one alone the heat when you go come up for your body self. It go make you day strong. You don't come in before you go day strong. But at own is not like that. Just to sit at home, nothing. You fry the fried plantain. That one I walk. If person enter baby elephant be true, you not go fit breathe. Upon it, you not get baby. Me I still get some mama. What of me baby? This is my last born. I be like your pikin. This fashion every day go they see me. I go they show different friend. But when you my from you don't know front, you don't know back. You don't know to. We are native Jube. We are native Jabarata. We are native Jubrata. No. I genetic. Any better than native, they know that Maggie sick native, you know. For real? No. I don't put on native for now. I'm saying not good though. But in me, why Jenna me man needs a. You understand? Esther go wear native. She go use native tire everybody. You go use native tire everybody. Like really? Go use a tire everybody. Only go when you go put for next. Not be all those go when you and social media president, former social media president, they put for neck. It's not hard to know the show. You know the show you both dressing. There are some gold when you go see go make talk. Not by put go for neck. The first I get money. No, there's a little respect like this. My earring I don't they wear since how many years? Nothing do. If I not tell you say na gold, you don't go no. You understand? There is something you put. You go dem my shop. Pack her for body. Go make water. I just they look am. They expensive. They expensive. Now that one I tell you know what they expensive. No. You dress mature, you dress good. If they don't say, they don't know what if I use for a man. When I look, after many kids, I say, look sweet. If me and my mom, they go outside like this, and not be when I wear this way, they see them. My uncle go make viewa. Upon I not put on waist trainer. If I don't wear waist trainer, they will still there. If me and my mom, they work out for it, they did my back. They did my back. Okay? You still look sweet. And I say, I be swagalicious mama. Me still there how many years? If me awa ya gauge. I want me ya we ye man. I go just see the gauge me about the speciation. Anyway, say we'll do any see anyhow. Of course. Yeah? You look sexy, look good. Please share this video out, guys. You look sexy, you look good. You understand? I'm going to go no. The time when you go take bath. Time when you go take clean your body up, you go sit down for life. They found you. Caro white boy. If you don't have something to say, you stay inside. You stay indoor. Nobody disturb you. Say, you not come out. Like when I not come out day first day, and yes, you see anybody disturb, who get right to tell me why I not come outside? No, that's why my fans. I will not see you. That's normal. Okay, you still do things, clean up, bath. The time when she go take bath, our live video, we're going to use her fan. So I tell you, my fan, then they blow me coolly. If they use her fan because of another person matter. Rude she will not have time to do another thing. She don't go get time. One time she went to go and buy joggy. Oh, you say they jog. In the jog. You don't jog on 2 days and you don't sit down straight day. Not be to buy and be the things. 18 reward straight day to panda. There is no strength. So I just want to prove you wrong that me and you, we are not the same class. You know how many pikin don't come up for this body. You know how many strengths I don't take nurse baby. Nurse baby. Nurse baby. Now we are para. No. Still have a little baby. I have small kids. I still look sweet like this. Oh, where you go? Oh, where you wear? Maybe we are pa. Maybe you where me want me. I cannot come your house to drink water, Esther. Baby elephant. No. We are not one poko. Never. Me no fit come your house drink water. Ghana must go everywhere. Wait till they use it, they go Ghana. We are the Ghana must go here. Then they still come outside. Go and do this competition. This challenge. Go and put on this exactly this thing when I wear so. This waist trainer when I wear so. Put it and tie it. You understand? So put it and tie it. Exactly this one, whether it go enter you. If not be extra large, you go to look for markets. At the end, you say me and you not the same. Thank you, my darling Joy. I'm so pretty, of course. I get good, but I'm proud of. I thank God for body when He give me. After picking, I still look good like this. I still look sexy like this. So we are talking about marriage. Marriage is not my problem because I have where going. I still have a lot to do. So me and you know if be decent running, they run up and down. No, now of which you know quite all right. You understand? If you don't feel they run up and down, still they get up. Even this as choice, this walking at home, running up and down, cleaning, doing this is part of it, my lady. Now part of it, but she cannot. Anybody who. For her to walk, go they find people video when she want upload. She go they find live video when she want do. If she not get topic, she don't know what to say. She cannot enter house. For her to clean up, for her to clean kitchen. As I talk to you now, my kitchen now, plates where they not these children won't eat. Yes, many times before I sleep, I wash my plates. Many times, I'm used to it. You understand? I dare used to run. Many of my fans now they go know me now this because I never really show no cooking for my Facebook. People when they follow me for YouTube, they see the way I cook. As I they cook, I they clean, as I they cook, I they wash my plates, I they cook, I they do this. I can prepare 3-4 food at the same time. Yes, people when don't follow me for YouTube, they see the way I cook. Can prepare this at the same time. Arrange everything for grant. One hand, all of them will come out at the same time. You know, it's hard working. I learn now when I did small. And I still work for fast food to an extent. Sizzler's fast food. You understand? When I did session like this, my manager, my supervisor, they will be happy because immediately they say produce this, produce that, produce that, produce this. Instant, all of them will come as I pounded yam eba, Africana, and the intercontinental dishes. I don't work. You understand? So if you are there talking, me and you not be the same. I work in fast food, the kitchen department. You know what that means? You get the winner. Me saw that for me. I imagine wait ya agbashawo. No. Ima agbashawo. Isero mi ya ima agbashashi. I still go ahead working. They know ima be one day. You understand? Come on for your time before I can't get my own stuff for me. Do this one, do that one. You see? So for you coming out talking, if I look at sometimes, just they laugh. My way up by we are not the same. Even for the abroad side, where I generally now by now, you for don't achieve. You see, shocking. I don't stay enter social media before you enter that in. Not be a movie and the soccer matter you enter. You use soccer and the movie may enter social media. I still enter before you don't know who don't strong. When I like it, 2018, I ball and I tell my mama, I say, this thing, I like it. Can you do it? I say, yes, I can do it. Then he say, okay, if you can do it, no problem. I say, open this one for me, open this one for me. Really? I continue. But when your mama, you don't know where to collect tax number, you don't, because you ask who called the war. You don't know where to collect tax number. You don't even know what to do at the right time. And then again, they quiet. Now, your people are not trying to support the movie. Like, really? Like, seriously, please share this video out, guys. You people now won't they try to support the movie. Wanna know what the movie do. Wanna know what it don't cost. Now try to support. Either good or bad. Father is father. No matter what, nothing man say I'm waiting. My own papa go do me to that kind of social media. Make my mad is certain. It not day. But today, una dey support am. He good, he good, he good. Like really? And you when they say he good, say make a soccer. They join the movie, they call the papa. Have you ever bring your father to social media? Have you ever bring your own mother? Baby elephant, I want to ask you a question. Last time, your man called they curse your mama. He called they pay you, say, no, my mama you they curse now. No, my mama you they curse. You know why? He must definitely pay you, even though he not take care of you. Say, he go pay you so another person they curse your own mother. But now, in Besa Lolekia, all of Funona, they tell us, I dare your back, I dare your back. Like really? Me not blame any other person apart from me, okay? Because they say, if you guess what, maybe I appreciate myself now. They say I look beautiful. They say, yes, look at the shape. I show like this. I say, oh, I look sweet. I look beautiful. Really, I know very well. Say, yes, I look sweet. Now, me take carry myself. Say, yeah, but if I say come on and say, people will still look down on me. So for you, as when you know, as your papa get name, reach your Bobizwa, you bring her come your mother, yeah, for social media. When be say your own father, he get name when people know for Bini. That one when he come marry you, he don't get anything. I never bring your mama come out for media and call his socks. Even when he thought he sleep with his sister wife, his brother wife when they be twins. Later he come outside and say, I'm joking on her because of what his brother do and I make it talk like that. He quickly denied because people were blaming him for what he call using maths they talk. Now you will get papa. You can't join your man. They insult your own father. Really? Like really? Say, okay, it's good. And all those baby elephant, Lolekia, many presenters are saying, why did the Bobbies was swear for you? Like really? Una when they talk say why Bobbies was swear for him, Mona bring una papa, Mona call the insult for social media. Mona bring una mama, Mona call the Lakers on our social media. So may we see. It's not possible. Either good or bad, your father is still your father. There are some father if you want to do marriage. You don't get anybody when they invite. Now you know how you go to do your marriage. Only you know to sit down. If you not buy clothes for her, you are on your own. You not go even call your marriage. We don't see. There's one get that time when they do marriage. Now 3 clothes, papa say make he and the husband buy for her. Because the money not rich, I just won't try to do the traditional marriage quicker. Now let to their hand. The man not come the day of marriage or marry. Not be said they say, oh marry, you know bring. You know, contact say the type person make it come. You know, only get good parents, they don't appreciate it. You have good parents, you have a lovely father. When he gets name, you are supporting that smelly man, cursing your own father. Never, never, never. Use aga swegi logi wujugu going. You understand me? Use aga swegi logi wujugu going. For either good or bad, you could have not allowed your man to be. In fact, trauma go you say, no. If you have matter with the rest, you can. But say my father, don't go there and stop. Because really, now see they bring it say, now I make you the movie see chance. Till they sort Bobbies one maybe say man when they know, when governors, when everybody know for Benin, your woman say me the cousin, really the cousin. And the most painful part, they are not trying to say, why papa like cousin, why papa was better not to move bogbe. If I born now, I benita we better not move bogbe. Either good or bad, father is still father, parents is still parents. No matter what, no family when it too clean, my people. If you don't go inside, you don't go know what they happen there. They say if you don't enter house, you don't go know how they build them. I'm not going to boy here. So no family is too clean. So those people don't present that is telling you, cause of papa, no, my God, they are not doing good. They are not doing good because first of all, tell them to go and bring their own father and their mother. If they don't have father and mother, okay, maybe they go bring their relatives, come in, they call the yeye for social media. Because say I know it just said, they say I got your back. Did I know it just said don't talk where if I come from those states? Talkers of bringing in your mother when don't die a long time or his sister come social media, I don't see him. I've been at the rest presenter when they tell and say, he good, Mona talk to the where your papa own too much. How many of them don't bring their mama come social media come beat? They said the way you lay your bed, that is how you lie on it. The way you spread your bed, if you like, push shuku. If you like, use poto rubber. If time you should go line on it. Because when you respect your father, when you give your father respect, say, when I they grow the come, person not they talk to my mama, my papa. No, I know the Ibele food cost your own papa, not cost my own. If you cost my mind, I know two the fight that time. But you don't know say if you go house night, and a storm will take wake your mama, wake your papa, wake all of them, go sleep for night. Yeah, it's a filugbe, I go they throw stone for this thing. They don't know where the stone they come. If they want still put down, see hide. I go do, they go they cry. The matter not go finish. Waiting happen go say it cause my mother say yeah. Even my mother that time go say where boy be me where. I say not the rest. Because that thing I don't know why they pay me. You go say they will not something for my body because I don't like her. No cost. I know they cost. But mama was okay. Wait anyhow where they be. Anyhow where they be. Me not go swear for that mama but me go make sure say me use life take tired. So they come on me put that time. No, don't bounce on my tail say now my parents work all the cost. I don't get that. I not the trying. I not like her. Yes, that's so. Now the way you put yourself. And then people are not saying, your father too wicked. Your anybody will pay to you to wahala, you to trouble, say do one like this, do one like that. They don't follow you to anywhere. When time goes on, that will be the one and you will not be papa. Because time if you like all your year and not be waiting to break will follow and not be will follow and we. Like it's real. That's truth. Now what you really bring on, I help you where make people come see what you bring on. One buy, make it come buy. I can't be person fault. But at the time, still say the truth for where the truth is. Isokane Dimofi didn't do anything good at all. Even if Isoke have any issue with his father, Dimofi have the right to say my wife is okay. Now therefore marry. He marry never. Only say forget. Only say even the woman won't even they talk for the background will say no, not cause of papa for it. That's to show a good man, a responsible man. Now when the man said the time when Dimofi come, he not like the man. They say, why the man? But the man is smart for the marriage. What do you expect the man to do? When you tell your daughter that this man you bring to this house, I don't want you to get married to him. Your daughter refused to say, never, he must marry her. When the time of the marriage, she go still go there as a father because he must be there. So when your father still come to call people, even that time, they say, you don't even know that they call Papa Waila. Bring people come out, bring people come. Only that marriage, you need to respect your father, no matter what. Why that good or bad? Why your husband going to have your father money? Is that not a less down? You bring the shame to your family. What we make winning with family? Why that good or bad? Not be in-law they give where for marry. In-law go say my in-law my wife papa at December don't still reach show. You know today like they not say this abroad get as it be. They see 5,000. They say now you supposed to they give and not be supposed to they give you the other way around. Because exactly because of money, now make you go marry his daughter. You ain't go marry a rich man pick, you don't know so you go spend. Now make they say, sew your coat according to your size. Sew your coat according to your size. So that when time goes on, you go see the enter you, not go sew ajagba with opu eye. On a car. Now this one that they talk. Yeah, they smell. Odo bibi, yeah, odo bibi. We're wagging yanya. No ve a face bebe ruwinya. No ve a courage be. You know they. If the man de kolo, ush man father. For example, your father-in-law no go see that kind of thing when shame no go cash. People say go they turn the phone say, hey pastor, you get name rich. When you open I carry this your daughter give that useless man. People may ask. You are in abroad here, you don't know what is going on in Africa. You know, any small thing that they use until they laugh anybody for Africa. Any small thing, I'm not that bongo one for any small thing, they'll call those until they mock you to your face. Small thing, they'll call they laugh you. We know. You born people not get papa for here, and nobody go accuse you wrongly. But try for Nigeria, make them not say people you born not get papa, they go call for you. This one not the show, even know who you give my belly. I've been a lie. So this kind of yet when this man they do so now tell me no one tell me say the father they know they tell the papa say which kind as you get money rich baba as you get name rich now this kind daughter now you go give your pikin this kind man now you go give your daughter you see we know Nigeria respect not there that is the small children when they talk to that my own man when he gets name a man when they say if you call your part everywhere go scatter. I remember when this man do his wife mama burial for inside oven, back oven, inside oven. And know as everywhere it takes scatter, the marriage you finish. Shomole was there. Womagbe was there. In fact, many musicians were there. In fact, the marriage, when he carry bag of money like this one be said they say, Papa is okay. I was there. Now person invite me come the marriage. I did high table for. If you see the marriage, the wedding, burial, I mean not be marriage, burial. If you see everything, what you go run only food. I been a drink. Now big truck they load drink put. Big truck. It cold. You go park, you go tire. It reach Chiri when that man put. He put her for different junction. Anything you need, just the carry. Now food, now money. That day rain come like say it fall soccer if you remember. For inside Obi. Back inside Obi. We did the burial. When Bobbies were come like this, when they march, they call people they march, they fall and see Bobbies were. When people carry Ghana must go up money, if they throw away at that day rain fall. Whether na his second wife, mama die, something like that. But na his wife, mama burial, na he do. Everywhere is poor. When the wife they come, they be like queen. If you see the dressing, all the wife, all of them were there. All of them were there. That you go see their dressing was If you see the man get money, you can't call the yeah your mama. It's a big shame. That burial that day. Which gift? I say bag of money when he carry, when he throw away, now rain fall that day. People die inside Portopolo. Now bondo like this, he go carry G. Bondo, he go carry like this. Everywhere scatter. Show like corner. The show like call they play ball like this. They call musician call they call in name. Show like call they dance. Shomole was there. Oh, Shomole come for that burial. If you remember, what are they talk so for a Saturday when they do the burial. What are you saying? You call the your papa for social media. They are telling you what you are doing is good. It's a disgrace. Either good or bad, disgrace is not one over error. Your father is still your father. When no Shomole come that burial, in fact, all musicians everywhere. If you see light for everywhere they glitter for that burial that day. If they see money, when papa is okay, when he's paid for that burial alone. All his wife were there. Everybody were there. In fact, the burial full. Musician, now they talk. Now food. If I what you need for that burial, now gift. Our table when I sit down, it's full. Sure, everywhere full. I say, but this what they do is wife, mama burial. But this what they do. The marriage, the burial, mama burial, the burial cast. For inside of a soccer, if you remember. The burial cast everywhere, no road to pass. No road. People na phone come that time. If you see where we go park put very far and leg we take waka for inside the distance. See where we go park put. At the end you are carrying that kind of man. A old man when he get name, when man with the respect, you bring a con you and your man call the yeah for social media. Is that not a shameful thing? That one a shameful thing. It's not good. It's not good. Either good or bad, your father is still your father. Because that man, nowhere he go if they call like this Bobizwa. He get one name when they call like that. I don't want to make sure that name. They'll say Baba. In fact, everywhere goes scatter. You understand? Now man will be say they know. Now man will be say, is he using home money? See, tomorrow is not a poor father. Now people now their papa not get shishu. They not call social media call the food their father. Those presenters that is telling you, then your father na bad person, your father na eat this one. Do you know what called when somebody have repetition? When somebody get name, you don't know what that means? When somebody get name, when we say people know, I know where they don't know that man. Who governor still know for state? Not be only that those states, not be man where they know. When they will see they call in a time of lucky, not the day I say tomorrow, not day. You come now, they join your man, they insult your own father. Either good or bad, daughter and father can have misunderstanding. But at a time, sort it out in private. If your papa do anything no good, Papa, anywhere why you go do like this now? You not be your mama again now. Why you go do me like this? You settle it back. Not to publicly supporting your man, fully that kind of man. Fully that kind of man. Those presenters when they tell you say, wait till your papa when he can't let cuss on you, it's not good. Is it good? Those presenters, how many of them they bring their father, make their own husband call they cause their papa for public? Because I don't want you a baby, I have boy do. Use and reason yourself whether they go do you. How many of those presenters bring their father in public, even their mother, even their smelly sister that is doing prostitute up and down? How many of them bring their sister to come and tell you how they live their life? Get sense. You understand? They say who gets something to call and useless, who not get go use and pack shit throw away. When you want get cloth to call and say, oh yeah, you to song. Okay, just look at the part of the movie now. How many times he don't bring his mama come public on disgrace? Or his brother to say he don't get family or he don't get mama. He say get mother. Or why you mention me na guana? He look by Michelle Latando, yeah. My sister, please think. Either good or bad. No we're quarrel, not there. No family go say my family it too gallant. No. Before you go past papa side, before you go past mama side, before you go past mama and papa and pikin. Matter must there when it be say you come jabrata. Matter must there when it be say use body touch body when they settle inside. You know? No, it's not a crime for a father and a daughter to have issue or to get misunderstanding. No, it's not a crime. It's not a new thing or big deal. Like really say, why and the papa go? No. But if it is private, it's good. But not to an extent come in public, they join your man. Call they food that man. Now man when he get there, now man when be say people know. No where he go there now people no go food there. He has. People know they finish for that man has till tomorrow. He have a lot of people, he have better people when they follow him. So these are those who are children. Those who are not the wash now, they are washing and they say, hey, why you go your poor carry your pikin give this kind man? Don't go the one they cause the man, but at the end, what the man will get with him want to. Don't go they use and laugh and say, parent will go and this go you or that phone will have disgrace you here. When I mean any video, they don't mind or they use until they disturb old man. He's old. He's an old man. So for you to even see man, father, when it comes for your marriage, feel like put your hungry head and say the right thing. Because really, I know if you support to say insult your father. If I join you, they cause your papa. I not get respect and I'm a bad person to you. I'm not a good person. No. I'm not a good person. If you have anything your father do you, even at the movie, even the part the movie, get waiting the man do you, call her, tell her, let everything go like that. They are bringing it on me and call the hear the papa, or call the hear the son-in-law, or call the hear your own daughter. It's a shame. It's a shame to the public and it's a shame. It's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. And it's okay, the man, I don't let cause and the movie and the wife and the children. What did you expect the man to do? Do you know the stress the man is passing through? Fine, it's not good for the man to lay cause for a pikin. But at the time, you still look it the other way around and check it out. If it is you, what will you do? The man don't have option now. He don't have option. Okay, this man don't support to they live his life. The time when they say they do pastor, that time, did you hear any quarrel again? When this man concentrate to they do a pastor, we not see here now. But see coming out, we don't understand what thing. We don't understand what thing will be so okay. Even your rest brother and sister will say, which kind of man my sister go marry like this? In fact, even though your papa not before outside that, your own blood brother sister feel say baba. When me know that for 10 minutes, when me go na him, when we ya go baba, when we ya go, you understand? Even your own blood brother sister can be calling your father say baba la go ya disgracing man now. They are disgracing us. You see? One or two until they call like that. What do you expect the man to do? Okay, when you think maybe you people will change, when I go change, not great change. What you not say maybe the poor man can't do? Okay, fine, say he can't let us like that's okay, fine, no, but it's not for the movie to come out and be seen. It no be how much bog behind me. Call it a pa, what I can't do now. You're not supposed to do this thing now. See, be your picking now. Settle it, no matter what the less settle. Especially parents, I don't understand. Wani mera meje na wa mai no salo bwa onu wa wa ye mera we me meje be ni meje na my there o me yo pa ni jimi awi me ni ana mo la tan vitagbo do gbe o awa not say body jimi vitagbo say guys so bourgeois o ya la tan ye ke because I will not take it. So me see get mama side so person call one in-law or one sister one in-law call kai mama or in-law go call do video they cost my own mother. I will not na die. Any country where they are go meet up agbele bua. No. It can never not be safe for man. Agbele bua agbe. Even inside is good though. In fact, the brother and sister I'm on my hair normal. But say my own parents come one in-law when come my family come marry. You will come bring my own papa or my own mama come public on the disgrace. I beg go. I will not that was really boy. No. They try now. Never. You come they use mama they learn. Or come they use my father they learn for social media. Like really? It doesn't make any sense. Even if the woman said they do live video and it's okay, it's the type of person, she's not a presenter. Now the man be presenter. You know they do video, now the background therefore they do for them. But you as a man supposed to coordinate her and say, oh, it's okay now your papa. If wife no get nothing can go there. But you as a man go still think and say, it's okay now your papa. You know, if you tell me say, oh, the whole thing, that man, no, you get better thing when he do for you. Even when you marry, people when you go see you say, since I don't be waiting this man, you still do that. Or if now when it allow you marry a daughter, you go say, no, na go marry a well, no, you know, still hang out for one thing. Say, now because of this thing, I make me. Now because he let me marry, you if not be so, eh? Or see one thing when you do for me, if not be so, eh? This or papa, wait out for doing, man. You know, talking of you now is coming out to be talking to the father, and the woman is there talking on background. You cannot even advise the woman cannot even advise you now too. You'll be discerning. No good. It doesn't make any sense. And all the message to all those presenters when they talk say, what is the man doing no good. Okay, now waiting and he the in-law and he they do and ain't good. Waiting they not go do now, more now they do person. Now why woman? Una there now some people now we don't know their papa. We don't even know their mama. We don't even know anybody about them. We don't even know anything. Eh? And you are coming out to say, waiting daughter they do to a father go. You never come bring your mama come public make all disgrace and one day. You never bring your papa or your mama come social media make you come bring and everybody see the shout woo. No, you hide your own for inside or you they say the one another person they do it good. Eh? You they say it good. What we need right now, the man when what they told us okay, it's okay. The mistake have already been done. Waiting there now, Epa or your wife call your papa. Wanna settle this thing. You know, guess what? When you swear when you go your power now, buy your picking. No. Wanna settle me things amicably, make peace reign. And make the man stop coming out of social media, lay curse on his in-law. It's not a good idea, and it's not a good thing. No, MSC. You know, if your wife is okay, they do this one to your own papa, or they do it to your own mama, you still go sit down. No matter how papa and mama go wicked you rich. Another person called they give her pain. Called they honor to Jojane. Called they all Jojane will be Jojane. No matter how the papa and the mama go bad rich. That again when you go say yes, na my real biological father or na my biological mother. You go say get and say oh this it must still they pain you. May you still let her know. Make the thing see they touch you say that good or bad. Even though you get your past secret, not daughter have father secret, father have daughter secret as well. It's not a big deal. Even though you get your papa secret or you call, is it compulsory that you come on social media and narrate all of them? We will not know we not dead there now. Who now call the user until they disturb. If you talk on your platform and they say why you talk, because they don't like the truth. And I can never stand there and be insulting that man and say what the man do is what the movie they do to heal or good. No. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Sister Zara.
Good evening, I'm on live video on Facebook, please.
Yeah, I did hear you. I don't know you waste your energy again. Because a lawyer we can way all our money. He would have made more.
Can you imagine?
It's okay. Here's pet waiting at the Bemuny with a base forever tina. Era na yere era nevo omo pa misika
koi kwere pa misika koi
amagwe is okay. Anyhow we will make you go with genuinely. People will talk about you.
Yeah.
Anyhow
you make your money. People must talk about you. That's not a new thing to us.
But Bizwa do this, but Bizwa do that. Area. Everybody get different minds to achieve what you want.
Achieve.
And I believe that not be everybody do agbewu. Become big person like that.
For where?
So know your way, not because. And I believe everybody get calling for everything.
Yeah.
So if not the way God talk over the man, let's say he will call later be like this, people for not hearing him. But it's okay. And you know he dimesebo. And you so to boy wa tie bonera we o wa.
No, that they pay me. Last time
a bush dog it's okay in short way. The mofi o ma xenofian is okay. Me ma understand. Because in ever as zenore family eva as the mofi in the family of okay. It's okay now we are the family of
like really
in ever not to blend. So if them are very only no need it's okay. Mega eruwe oh iga mio agege ya kalo umami aba agege nini ya we bobizwa ya kalema nene bobizwa mega eruwe we yaka ya so experiment we then kalema boy ye ti be kaleni meneri re mapa inya ene agwate ukpia utore eni soke una
really
edenera to wese ebari ohana ewe simi no ebari ohana ewe omonere to boy reject is forever thing a cost already era na kwere muela diawunu we omamwe bo be where it's okay henceforth
better go and meet your father and settle now
but no yere soni era mona kenyi
share this video guys
ona gie a push line ore oni edimofi we ma be edimofi ye oyini na ba me edimofi gi hin
now you want where they pay me edimofi don't go through water for palace this one he wants to use the woman to turn enemy of palace enemy of his father enemy of no the woman
when it's okay it's okay ni sama we bona tie na zuza tie ni nori azuza le enemy or no enemy omo no gihye ehia ogirane is enemy of the whole world.
Yes, so
okay, era mu some ohweni jo maganeme ana wore ringro domene ohweni manika biebene we ni jeni uga sevani o una leke ni joeje gbera egbe asawe e feelings ni oro
Emani bon understand them mita.
Squajon now. Vene baba wane goni. Era struggle. Era lenye de kioba market.
Yes,
okay,
so if that struggle is that.
Okay, the one on era struggle. It's okay, we as a hustler. Well, it's okay, man. And the Murphy way, you are young now, the journey.
Everybody that they go. What is he doing and the movie doing? Why can't they tell him to go on?
Because waste of time harvest. Mega is what to boy. Menaga is why in a position is what. It's okay to reject any. It's okay to let them publicly. All the way, Baba, Lao, Yabone. A video now went there. When maybe not for very honey. For very honey, as them also more. Oh, my baby, when you let a settle back way. A little the row, who one last video presenter. I repeat it. It's okay, I'll pay you well. Idiot. No matter anything, wow, enter the joy in here, a continue why I live forever. And wait, everywhere, ye never or in the Bulgarian way, ye king, baby, then it's okay. It's okay when they were a better you were married this day. I'm not this day. Oh, we're not hit to boy your that way. Maybe you can use them mistakenly. I will go with you. Well,
get cost for a father. That one will sit down the middle the cost.
If it cannot be ram,
your father.
Other omunugwe koko.
O da fo e do atie bonugwe be public.
Oyigerane. Then era by a big man here, era ya beu. You go not read me out with okay.
What do I move?
Uje one era ya point two nera. Away, it's okay. La it's okay. 20 million of me. Why? All of those no mama. No, then you go never do over. I get what is your yakun, then you go. I get what you go yakun.
The stress is yeah.
Walk now,
walk now, walk. You get one of the free they collect.
So can you
struggle? It's struggle now. Thank you, my sister. You got my no, not be saying I'm money, no, no.
No, you will even a bamine, or Valatia. I swear.
No, not disgrace. No good. No good.
Where's your bonnet? Where's your bonnet? All here, but all while you are so already we if yes, what? Nothing.
I bet. Thank you, my caller. Thank you.
I'm aware. Near what total majestically. I'm a year of the BB. Very useless set of people. Money and the end because any black family in Maywe or Yari at the Mofi, in Owe or Timpemeno or the Agua or money so can be or money the Mofi beer. God forbid public disgrace. Public and toilet disgrace. Over Eddie Murphy. You don't know. Although where a character where ma, I think I can repare a nana yanuna. Look your man, what is 60 or 70 years? If you went to a PLA, you repay what is okay. Where any young wauna, where you put evacuaro?
Yes, so
evacuate arrow. So, who you go here, you be often where Madame told. Because all the caution only a repay me so near repair or see and on a senior severity. But at the motion at the normal young wrote of a live video. Single mother, a better way, a tenia baby one God Dovan so care BMW, error BMW. Where a family are doing a killing last year.
Please share, guys. Share. I'm gonna struggle. I'm not going to
very useless. A drama Eddie Murphy. When maybe a lot of people make the petition against Eddie Murphy. A bomb oh, any yari over a bomb because they're bombing a drama thing. They're not they keep all these kind of people. Many people
they don't pretend as if they don't know this kind of man is existing, you know.
A bomb and you won't get yari over and maybe you will have to check up. Any yari over. Because they're bombing in your place you cannot be. Then you go every month. Free villa. Other money they say right down you 10,000 go. If I had 5,000 no. Come cannot be away cause me.
Please share, guys. Share.
They might blame me.
Where's my sister?
Ginger in here. Ginger in here. And some of the presenter people.
Hello? Don't cut. It don't cut, guys. Okay, my lovely people. How now? Please, may I see the love and like, guys. So, my people. So wetin this caller they try to talk say wetin the man, the woman they do the father-in-law, no good. Because either good or bad, either your mama rich or your papa poor or your mama poor, at a time still give them that respect. You understand me? The most painful part when they talk now say the man not call the yeye in your family. Oh man when they know, not be after they talk yours now. Oh man when be say they know for being man when be say get money. I should be turn on one better when he do for you, his wife mama. The now be smart thing. Now man when they know when he get money, either good or bad or that kind of man call for okay. You not be only one he born. That man have a lot of children. He get many pikin when he say that man use the broadcast stay born. So it's the one way go fit do for you when you tell marry before you marry. Now he go do for you. You know if you see the husband has finished, because he wait make that kind of man when does they hold when he still supposed to they read from you, make us see they carry your load and your man own. Because anything when they say they cause quarrel between the mafia and people, they say na money issue. Maybe it doesn't go ask the man money now, the man not give and I still make and the cause him. Because Papa Wala at that time, when they talk say, now so now this one time you, now so Papa Wala can give me news, whether Papa Wala not give him any news to cause anybody. Now later he can use the man to talk say, now so because he tell Papa Wala may give him money, may take carry lawyer for palace, I be waiting. They don't give him. Now I'm making now, call they cause Papa Wala. You see? Because really, if you really look waiting, they really make a movie, they cost people. Maybe that money issue. It can be maybe don't ask this man money. You are not they pay you. You will go work. People now leave the movie now they talk say, "Hey, no get go and work. Hey, no get go and work." Which one be no get go and work? Hey, no get go and work like really. Which year no get start to the? Which year no get? If first baby not be 1 year plus a day now. One of the when the evil people tell and say make it go work. What of a power will get? That one they forbid. How that leg they pay that one when he go fit take work? No. And that leg not the pain how much I say no go fit work. So many say still go work because there's all the I don't mind say devil workshop. I don't mind the devil workshop. If he they work, he no go get time for all those live video go. Me I they imagine. But if another person they do what this at the movie they do now when children they ask when they shout now. The for that go call say that's so that they disturb for us. So this life who do good go real good, who still do bad go real bad. Because either good or bad. Person now see come on now they cause your ilo. Which another person not go fit cause. Person when if sit down now they your ilo for social media. Either good or bad say daughter and son, daughter and father get quarrel. It's not a new thing. If you know as a man you don't fit up put, then let the father and the mother, the father and the daughter sort out their issues. You understand? Not coming on public. Private say okay, private now we not go hear am. But coming out in public, all the the man when some presenter are there saying that good, but waiting the man can't do, you know, good why the man go cause and cause the children. It don't make sense. Not put red for year. If they pay you money, you pursue that evil red. Not put red here because what they not go do a man not do person. Maybe they don't clap and they follow that man say after the you know good. You still born. After the you so say good. That kind of thing not good. If you get what he do you, the man don't they hold. Call and tell and say, pa, what you do so if you pay me or you and your wife wanna call and tell and say, pa, hey, we baby and disgrace in here, pa. And we now I'm married, you know, you know, talk to her about like the settle issues. Not to understand coming out and be disgracing the man. He might have a lot of people, you know, many people know that man. That man not be person when we say they don't know, as I said before. That man not be person when they don't know. You understand? It's a man when they say they know. It's a man when they say the people know her. It's a man who struggle for a money. The man says still suffer. Before I say get money. Nobody they sit down for us. Money bag of money go they fall from up. You not there. He not there. That man still work hard for a money. He stress. He works so hard to have your money. When he come say can't get name to do they can't know and put. So you as the in-law still respect and if only that marriage alone, you try for your marriage aspect. When you not come out and say the time when he bring you come, you don't want to make him mad and say maybe okay, really it's true. When he take carry you can't give your papa. Your papa say you don't like you don't know this quarrel. Forget matter. As after all, you can't let her marry the daughters. Then you not make peace. The presenter is coming out and say, he good though. Make the cause of papa. Any presenter that on his live video, he or she, when he on live video say, may you the cause of papa, or may your own in-law the cause of papa, he don't do well. He's not a good person to you. He's not a good person to you because if that person come out and say in your family, he never get misunderstanding with your father or your mother or your brothers or sister, whether that person bring your cause social media can't disgrace. So now that question you need to ask them. Anybody that will do a video saying, cause you are where, any people will see the comment say, Tiabone kakabo, ask that person, say, you want the comment here. How many times you don't bring your papa, come give me, make me help you beat your papa. Ask them like that. You will see, later they will tell you the truth. They will come tell you, say, no, you bring and come make us the comments. You will not see it, story will come change. Ask them. So those presenters, when they tell you, say, if papa not do away, if papa not do away. How many times have they bring their own family member to the public? Or bring their own brothers or sisters to the public to come here? Or even their own mother when breastfeed them? So even though na farm, their mama call they go crook. We got many people for here when we say, if their mama not see go farm, they not go eat. But you never worry the rich when you take carry that kind of mama call the when you go take keep man sure say what you they do mama good. You know what say? Now this scholar see they talk just now. He say no girl see father one poor rich when one in-law go call they use your father they do No. If poor not poor, if poor is still born you still become human being for life. You feel still even though they say poverty for born you. Or now this thing and ground you sleep with you can't go. God cause you to a coffee enter abroad. That kind of mother is not a good mother. Is it not a good mother? Or that kind of father is it not a good father? Either good or bad, you not get. Not before say you not get. It's not compulsory that everybody must rich. Or mommy wait papa will not come make now you put cutlass for your neck you go cut on. No. If be try, maybe hand not go rich. You see, that make God create this hand. All fingers are not equal. It's not lie. Or you will talk as all fingers are not equal, not be lie. And as we see, they see people when they reach so. Now then you see they see someone be say, they see rich pass. Go ask for the most richest man in the world. You go see him. Now then you go see top. Then you find people when they see get. Now then you go see someone you not see to get. Now then you go see, you see, it's not banners. This life not banners. So you don't need to put that hatred or anything because you call ask your papa get it, not gonna give you. That one come when you call the your papa on social media. No, nah. When we get socken, when we reason Omuba make a little when out to where. The reason where over here. I will marriage, you know, me winning. Or maybe when you may well and move your way. She give you kudos. Forget. Forget. Anybody want to call the online video, the cost of papa. Wow. They pay me for you. People will not be on a live video. For me, they are supporting you, insulting your father. They will not say, what they do good. No. They see outsider. Then they say, okay, now your brother, now your sister, or now your brother. But anything called parents, they need to give respect. And not coming out in public call the man. You understand? You tell your man make it rest. May not they cause that man. But now make peace. If your father will still forgive you. You understand? He don't talk about public. Now I'm gonna let her fall down, come hold, he come by tomorrow. All those things they grant. Now you go suffer. Now that time you go tell no say suffer day. Then you will not be running here and scatter. You talk and I say nothing they happen if you like it. If it buy us now that time you go know, say kaki not be leather. That time they will come stress you, they go gum you again, they go stress you, they go gum you again, they go stress you, they go gum you again. And before when you go call hold, before you go call buy, you don't know what to tell your family people, you don't know what to write for grant. At the end you come they suffer and they run up and down. No. Your father is still your father, your mother is still your mother. If we find out ourselves, okay, our papa not come get money, our mama not come get, that don't mean say more they long down on them. It doesn't mean that we'll call they look them, yes, they not be person, they not be human being, more call they bring their media. No. I don't use me say Pikin and husband, Pikin and papa not they get quarrel, or mama and son not they get quarrel. No. This tongue and teeth they fight. At the end you still see them now they be best of friend. At the end they'll still settle. So may you still know that one say if you can't be like that, you'll still look and say now your papa. You'll still forgive and forget. Let everything go. Tell your man to stop coming out and be throwing words on that man. They say now so they do this and so they sleep with the Pikin and say no, it's not called for. All those one are children something. In children cause they do all those one. Waiting you as a man can't get to cut talk as you say you be a power, you be this so that they call you a power. If you can vision and a family that they beat each other, what do you have to say as a man? No, that means if you don't we have a tajo, you see? We have a tajo because at the end, man, all boy the worst to say. Oh, Mommy Emily, you are welcome, my lady. Please share this video, guys. We'll so round up my people. So you understand? So anybody that will come outside and say what you they do is good, you know good. I know you me say family or papa and daughter not the quarrel. They quarrel. But at the time, letting your man, your own husband, be laying curse on your father. He's still your father. For crying out loud. He's still your father. When you look so kind to, we don't say many parents, they see girls they take day. But when you look at what they do, you don't feel because of that hang your remove this for their neck. or because of that make all the disgrace them, that respect still give it to him, he or she. We know say some parents, if they do you something, go pay you rich side, but go they wallow you. But you'll still use the good one, take go cover the bad one. You'll use the good one, take cover the bad one, so that you'll say, I bet make I for after I bet na old age the warrior, I bet make I live. Forget. Now you an old man now what call the type man for social media. Your husband talk, you can't talk. Now that man not even be social media person. He only that video he did that day. That man is not the person that come out here all the time. Now the movie they come out all the time, they do video. So you cannot classify their two the same, say they are the same. No, Papa is okay, not the person they do live videos, not a live video presenter. Talk less of okay, because he can't talk now, he go still come and talk. No, that man is not a live. That day maybe you come outside vaccination or upon the talk everywhere, make and verse, he do such thing. So it's not a thing the next day your man will call the put fire more and moment the matter call the prolong. No. It's solution. Nothing is happening without solution. Nothing not get solution. It's just for you to come outside and just wanna settle on inside. Now your papa. Now settle on inside because una two now they do this one. Now people will call the fear now. Forget say people they comment right down, hey pa, we love you. Hey pa, continue. Just they curse her. They run for you now be that. Tomorrow they say, that one if you carry you come outside here and beat her hands down. Maybe not see go use myself take your last or this one body now. Not be me go be the next person. People will not be running away from you. You not go know the how. Ever do I learn when you not say any other learn. You understand? Think everybody that just come outside and say, it good, pepper there. It good, pepper there. It good, one like this. Now that they happy for what it happen. So we see God come and say, he concern me. Not be waiting he bring, not be we follow and buy. Not be waiting he do, he concern my papa, and my mama, when my relative, what he call concern me. Maybe they hear themselves now. The same people that comment, he say, go on, Epa, we love you, cause the way when I need. If you and another person they talk, now that might be what really not truth to talk. Now he really send you. Now it will be already your family. I don't want to take concern. You see, the matter don't change. You understand? That guy, those kind of people they'll come they run away from you at the end, they'll come they piate, not going to wait till they drive them. So please, we know some parents they do some kind of thing, but not like this kind of father. This woman, father, now man when they know. Now man when they get money, now man will be say, some people are looking for this kind of father. They don't see. Yeah, even if you don't give them pain, even they don't give them any money, may they say he now me be father, now he be my father. Oh. May they all know they talk say now me papa now he be that one. Some people they many people their mama na village their mama na garden they cook. They don't say not be their mama. Really? And that your father when you they look now, he still suffer for your work today when you see they enjoy to already he still go through stress and all. You know, you sit down for us when money call the fall, they meet, and you're supposed to know that. You understand? Your papa get there, you're supposed to be happy. So our papa, they will not see get they see they respect their papa and their mama. They see they respect them. Okay, you look your husband, man, when he say marry you. If mama don't hold the guy, he still get mama. I felt talk on yours now. He still get mama. My mama still there alive. How many times you want to tell me say that your husband, yeah, and mama never get me misunderstanding? Or yeah, and mama never get any argument when it lead to say they are two called the quarrel. Okay, how many times don't bring your mama call social media call the curse? Or may call tell say my bad mama now you be. What do you feel do? You feel build us, you feel buy motor, not the person be papa is okay so what's at you? Oh we're there. Know your way, not because. Know your way, not because. How many times you don't do one? You want to tell me say since when you are in the movie today, in and the mama never get crash. You not get they be papa, Pikin and mama they get crash. Pikin and papa they get crash. Daughter and father they get crash. Son and mother they get crash. It's like that. It's not a new thing. I'm not telling you that hey, I'm new thing. No, a new thing. But at the time, not in public when who not bring you, when mama they see they suffer crooked, they go fun. When not bring you, on social media, may call cost. They tell you say may you they cost your own. They give you right down. Now right down you want to. I mean, now right down. At the end when you go to receive the punishment, they will there be there with you. They will not be there with you. They will not be there with you. So thinking they are helping you to say do one like this. Your husband the shower. When it's here now, call your man enter house. I buy for you. You not be woman. Tell her what beg don't do. You still have that feeling. Say he's my father. She have that feeling. Yes. If your father disown you, daughter you, a bit disown you, say you not be his daughter again. Yes, you sit down and reason back and say you offend them before it don't be like this. You offend them, maybe now make them do like that. Then you kick things away. That to say, hey, this one, no, your man they talk for one side, you they talk for one side, your man they talk for you, they from here they talk. How the matter will take settle. How there will be peace in the matter. Peace not go there. Eh? Peace not go there. So let me tell you, all those presenters, Lolekia will not know where it for come. He say in a Benin, in Aisha, in a Benin, we want cause problem between Benin and Aisha. When my social media will have to cause a problem between Benin and Aisha. Eh. Now be at the end, we can't not say now okay for come. He not be Benin, she not be Aisha. And she ever come outside and tell you what he kill him, mama. He don't come outside, even his sister when they say they fuck you up and that for Benin, they find sheep when one fuck and before you go give him before you go shop. And he did not bring his sister come up, not be I have a beautiful this, I have a beautiful that. Yes. He don't bring his sister come outside. I can't tell you one day. When they tell you now, say, guy your back, I will stand with you. May if I go bring his mama very grand, come make on lay cost on the mama. Before you go come get mad, call the talk for another person. All those presenters when they talk say, wait till you now do you good. Tell them to go and bring their parents. They hide their own for inside house. Even said the one with their parents they do, they said they not both shout come outside. Now, Mumu love come outside. The mama, if papa not be American, they say papa na American. Una not the social media. Una not the papa de igwe hiame. Papa Mumu love the igwe hiame. The house don't they fall and rain they beat the part for the wait till tell you now. Wait till tell you now. He not say papa yo de papa na America. Papa na America. Oh papa yo. Yes. May God tell you say papa the village they suffer. If you got out tomorrow, you call the cousin. Not so now. He go can't tell you like that. He not gonna tell you now. Oh, be this one. Vera Bear, show me your backside. Now because of my backside, now make you come here. You know, because of my backside, you make you come. If that's you're the same like this. This one not rich. Now the backside they find. I beg go find where they for this look for backside. I beg because I never know the person. Somebody reply. You understand? So I beg me all those matter finish because it don't make sense. You understand? Even the soccer say you get mama, you never bring the mama come meet and come cause because say your papa come marry different woman and you walk out the year. Not being start and when be get polygamous family. People they say when not even get money rich that your papa self. Some men they don't even get shishi, they don't get 9 itoro. Some people they that Nigeria, they don't get itoro, they don't get shishi. They say they get 3-4 wives. At the end they'll cut land for them. So they go to farm. You know what she shunching. That's when they go to farm. Oh yeah, I'm mugbo here when I know it's in one shop. You don't know every. You also may go to farm, go come begin go to farm. So there, your papa and still get small thing. You still do marriage, you still come outside, people see the hell animal swear. That one not issue. Make it can't go, make go borrow lapo. Wait, make go borrow lapo give you now. Oh wow, I will lapo no. Not be only you want born. Maybe still get small children when you still need to take care of. So you said don't mature, you don't marry. When a woman don't marry from papa house, then you need to your husband need to take the remaining responsibility. So you don't need to come out and be putting it upon your father anymore. It's not allowed. So even if your father not supposed to be giving you or your husband money anymore, now you're not supposed to they give her money. Now you're not supposed to call the support her in anything when we say what they do. Say make all they give una shishi or because of money cause the cause problem between them. That one is shame. It doesn't make any sense at all. You understand? No good. So guys, thank you very much. I will dance one more time. Now I don't want more I play music. I will dance one more time before I go. Just write it here. Let me see your comments. Yes or no. Or we go like this. So guys, oh yes, my lovely people. Oh yes. So now they say so now baby elephants. Let me do this this stand today. Because say if me fat pass them. So yes or no, yes, we'll do dancing. Just one more time music. We'll just shake body, we'll shake on. Shake on, more shake on. Shake on, more shake on. No. Shake it. Roll it. Shake it. Oh yes. Oh yeah, roll it. Now let one person say yes. No, some people don't need them. Many people don't need them. Many people don't need them. So we need to go. Now 3 people don't say they need them. Mommy, hope. Mommy, hope. If I say you're not there when I fair dance, when I fair rock, and when I fair dance, if I say you're not there, okay. We'll play one music before we go. Oh yeah, just one music. Oh, wanna dance? So sure, I go dance. Not be let me want dance. So now no, so now not dance with me. They come. So they come, guys. We'll play only once. One music, then we go. Before we go. Okay. I never see a place like home. Hey, let me feel it. See, I wanna see it. I cannot deny it, cause I love you so. Hey, let me scream it. See, I want to show my soul. Africa, say Africa is the place. Someone that's now, say Africa is the place. Oh yes, guys, thank you everybody. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes, so no time to share time. No time to share time. They see it. Can you see that? So now, so my people, happy. You are welcome, my darling. Joy. Now, welcome. God bless you. So, we'll soon rounds up, man, guys. Oh yes, my people. Thank you very much. And please, if today is your first time following my page, please don't fail to follow me, like this page, follow this page, and my YouTube channel, Vera TV program. In case if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vera television program. Why this one is Vera TV program? Yeah, Vera television program, my page. Why my YouTube channel, Vera TV program. So guys, thank you very much. I'm about to go right now. So Esther, I just want to tell you that me and you not the same man. So you can see, you see, they see and say they throw away. So me and you not be the same. Not talk about I fat. No, you take fat past me, not be small way fat. So you see that? You see my waist trainer. If you put on this waist trainer, you not go fit wear. No, you fat past this waist trainer. So I just want to tell you, say me and you not be the same. They see my hips. You see that? You see that? You see that? Okay. So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So I'm about to go right now, guys. So I put on there like trouser. You see? So when I come out like this, who will say I too big or they see so let me draw it like this. So see, it's like trouser. They see you see that? You see see that? See that? So I just want to let you know. Yeah, you not be the same, yeah? So alright guys, thank you very much. I'm about to go right now. Thank you. God bless you all. Happy Sunday to you all, and have a sweet dreams. Tomorrow na Mother's Day. No holiday don't come. So this time around we need to relax and flex. Relax. No now. Stress don't still reduce. Yes, so God bless now. Juju, Juliet, you are welcome, my darling. Oh yeah, thank you, Mommy Millie. Thank you. Bye. So guys, thank you very much. I'm about to go now. Bye.